Alright, well, you've got to the part 5 of 5. In this video, it's pretty much just painting the cowboys and then doing the glamour shots. Over half of this video is just watching the camera pan around and having a good look at it. Painting the cowboys is nothing particularly exciting, except that it's fast. I've cut it down a lot. You don't really see a lot because of the cameras angles that I have, and I don't have anybody filming. Sometimes where I paint you can't see what I'm doing anyway, so I've just given you the idea that I painted the cowboys and put them on. I also made a box for it to go in because this is a Christmas gift, and there'll be some photographs after I've shown you the shots of the cowboys that just show the box that I ended up making. The next time you see that spin around, it'll be a bit of a spin out, no pun intended, because it will be a lot slower than the other 4 times that you've seen them at the beginnings of these productions. I really hope that you've enjoyed the watching and the doings of it all, and I hope you enjoy the slower spin around turntable bit and the camera following the model a little bit more than it has so far. All it was really left to do was to cut the boots of the cowboys off their plastic bases and glue them down onto the... I did put a 1mm drill up their foot and stuck a paper clip in them and glued them down with a spike so that they hopefully won't fall over or fall off, and glued the animal hide that's not a real animal hide to the end of the building to make it more... that's what I'm doing now, to bring it in line with the movie scene. If you want to watch Rio Lobo, I ended up watching it with my dad after Christmas because of having done this. I ended up seeing the whole film and I actually really enjoyed it. It was a fun escape for a bit, and so yeah, enjoy the turnaroundy, having a closer look at it all, and I will say goodbye towards the end, but I'm not going to continue to just talk all the way through it. It's a couple of spin rounds, once as a diorama, once as a bookend, and while it's a diorama, just a bit of a zoom in on the individual parts, the curtains in the windows, things like that. So I'm going to be quiet now and you can enjoy the show. Okay, well that's it. This is the box that I made for giving it as a Christmas present. I really hope that you have enjoyed the whole of the process as much as I had doing it, and as much fun as it was giving the gift. I look forward to doing more videos in the future, and I hope that you'll stick with me with them all and that you had a really good time. I'll see you next time when I make more videos.